I'm not going to let him rest quite so long that time because I wasn't just, you know, super impressed with that stop. He came to a stop, but I'd like to see it have a little more gusto. Right? So we'll lope him to the right. Come outside our circle. Let's see if he'll stop. There, that was a little bit better. A little bit better. He's starting to crawl to the ground now. You see, I always either go outside my circle or up the middle to find this stop. I try not to stop him in the circle, right? Oh, see, he's already kind of going to the ground. All right, he was beating me right there to the ground. So I'm going to let him rest on that. All right, but I didn't achieve what I wanted to achieve right there. I'm ecstatic that he's listening to me, you know, and really hunting that stop. But I'd like for him to just go ahead and get stopped, you know, instead of taking 3 or 4 steps to do it. He doesn't need to do that. If he doesn't get stopped very good, and he didn't. So we're gonna say, no, that's not exactly what we're looking for, Pepper. It's time to improve a little bit, you know. Let's go ahead and drop that rear end down and get stopped, right? So now I'm just gonna trot circles and lope him out. I want him really, really, really craving that stop, because when he's really craving it, he's gonna do it good. Now again, this isn't something that you get done all in one day. We'll lope off again. Oh, okay. All right. I helped him just a touch right there at the end, and he dropped his rear end down. Now he still took a couple of steps to get stopped, but you got to have something to build on, right? So we're going to call it a day right there.